Question number 11 from set B of the chapter Statistical Description of Data. Exercise question. The average salary of a group of unskilled workers is 10,000 and that of a group of skilled workers is 15,000. Average of unskilled is 10,000 and average of skilled is 15,000. If the combined salary is 12,000, then what is the percentage of skilled workers? This is a question on combined arithmetic mean. Okay, if there are two groups 1 and 2, okay, there are two groups 1 and 2. In our case, let us call the group 1 as unskilled and our skilled will be group 2. Okay, this is group 1 and this is group 2. So the mean, arithmetic mean of 1 will be x1 bar, that is going to be 10,000. And the arithmetic mean of the second group, x2 bar, will be 15,000. And the combined mean, the x12 bar, will be, combined salary is 12,000. What is the percentage of skilled workers? Is what they are asking you to find out. What is the percentage of skilled workers? Okay. Now let us first write the formula for combined mean. Combined arithmetic mean is n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar divided by n1 plus n2. Here we have the value of combined arithmetic mean already with us. Okay, so we have the value 12,000. This is equal to n1 into 10,000 plus n2 into 15,000 divided by n1 plus n2. We don't know what is n1 and what is n2. Let us try to solve with this equation. n1 plus n2 into 12,000 is equal to 10,000 n1 plus 15,000 n2. Okay, from this we get 12,000 n1 plus 12,000 n2 is equal to 10,000 n1 plus 15,000 n2. Let us further simplify this. 12,000 n1 minus 10,000 n1 is equal to 15,000 n2 minus 12,000 n2. We get 2,000 n1 equals 3,000 n2. Now if we take n1 divide by n2, we get 3,000 by 2,000. We get that equal to 3 by 2 or 3:2 ratio. We need to find out the proportion, the percentage of skilled workers. We need to find out the required percentage of skilled workers, that is n2, number of people in group 2, which is n2. n2 divided by the whole total, n1 plus n2. n2 divided by n1 plus n2, that is proportion of skilled workers out of the total proportion of workers, into 100. This will be, see, n2 is 2. We have the ratio here, n1 is to n2 is 3:2. So if we want to find out only n2, we will take 2 divided by 2 plus 3 into 100, which gives us 2 by 5 into 100, which is equal to 40%. 40% is the answer. So we will take first the formula for combined mean, then we'll equate the values which we know in that equation, and thereafter we will find the proportion between n1 and n2, and after that finally we will find the percentage of n2 as a percentage of the total. That is the way we work out this question.